Medved, still Friday, May 24th. Little sign, I don't know if I can see that. Probably not. Anyhow, just walking along. Anyhow, I did it again. Damn, I'm sorry about that. I'm not saying that anymore. Thought I'd shoot some video walking along the trail. Little brook next to us, so just let the sounds do their magic. Willow, follow Patty. Good girl. She's a sweetie. She's the best. She's adapted so well out here. Amazing. Amazing. Perfect dog for this, other than a little bit of spray dry. But we worked hard on that and we've done a good job with it. Just gotta watch her signs that she's giving me. Patty knows them as well. She starts picking up a scent. I just gotta step in, give it the lead at command, and march on. Sometimes a man's just got to hike by himself. These three women up there are wearing me out. I'm too old for this. Now we're having a great time together. Patty is pretty much taking the lead from, oh god, geez, must be a good 600 miles now. This worked out probably better that way. I tend to just book along. I can't hear her behind me. It's difficult. It just worked out better this way. Usually I'm right on her tail, and it's worked out good. Now that she doesn't feel pressured, she just walks at her pace, and that works out for us. We're doing fine. Works out for Willow too. And sometimes she's a little confused. She's used to me being in the lead, and sometimes that's confusing for her, but she's getting good with it. We're coming to a shelter up here named, I'm gonna be mucky today. The shelter's called Brown Mountain Creek Shelter. Now we're not staying there. But we will be probably grabbing lunch there. It'll be about lunchtime. Anyhow, that'll be 800 miles. It's about the 800 mile mark on the trail. 800 bloody miles. That's a long way. Pretty happy about that. See, she's sitting right now. Hopefully Patty was on top of that. But yeah, 800 miles. Holy cow. We got a long ways to go. But I'm just loving it. I mean, every day has its challenges. Period. Every day. There's not a single day that's just easy. Hasn't been one yet. And it's not a physical challenge, it's an emotional challenge. Sometimes you just don't want to hike, but you got no choice. Sometimes it's physical, sometimes it's both. But it's times like that right there. The beautiful little brook, the sounds, the birds. I don't know, for me, beats anything else. I can always pull it together even on days I'm going down. I don't have too many down days, but occasionally. Just love hiking the AT. That's what we're doing. Meeting wonderful people along the way, and lots of wonderful experiences. Many we'll never forget, I'm sure. Willow! Willow! Come, girl! What you doing? What you doing, girl? Crazy little dog. What are you doing, girl? You happy, pup? Say, I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. There she goes. All right. Hope you're having a wonderful day. This is Eddie, and we will talk to y'all later.